In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a frame in Canva. If you're working on a Canva design and want to reverse the direction of an image inside a frame, this is a very quick edit to make. Flipping a frame can be useful if you want to improve the composition of your layout, make an image face the opposite direction, or simply create a more balanced design. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple. To get started, open your Canva design. Make sure you're on the page where the frame and image you want to edit are located. Once your design is open, look for the frame that contains the image you want to flip. Next, click on that frame to select it. It's important to select the frame that already has the image inside it, because that's the element you'll be editing. When it's selected, you should see the editing options appear in the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. Now, move your attention to the top toolbar and find the flip option. Click on Flip, and Canva will show you two choices: flip horizontal and flip vertical. These two options let you control the direction of the change. A horizontal flip will reverse the image from left to right, almost like looking at a mirror image. A vertical flip will turn it upside down from top to bottom. Once you see those options, click the one that matches the effect you want. If your image needs to face the opposite direction, choose Flip Horizontal. If you want to invert it from top to bottom, choose Flip Vertical. As soon as you click, Canva will apply the change right away so you can instantly see how it looks in your design. If needed, take a moment to check the overall layout after flipping the frame. Sometimes a small adjustment like this can make a big difference in how your design looks and feels. If the result isn't quite what you expected, you can simply use the other flip option or undo the action and try again. And that's it. That's how to flip a frame in Canva. It's a simple tool, but it can be very helpful when you're refining the look of your design and making sure every visual element is positioned the way you want.